Breathe like a champion. Snore no more. The nasal strip revolution is here. Tired of snoring like a chainsaw? Meet the Intake Breathing Nasal Strip Starter Kit, the next-level solution for better breathing, deeper sleep, and a quieter bedroom. Unlike flimsy, sweat-sensitive nasal strips that peel off in the middle of the night, Intake's patented two-part system keeps your nasal passages fully open, giving you the oxygen boost your body craves. With a sturdy magnetic relief band and skin-safe, sweat-resistant adhesive, these strips stay put through sleep, workouts, and long days. Whether you're snoring, congested, or struggling with mouth breathing, this kit is your ticket to effortless airflow and next-level rest. Forget traditional nasal strips that barely hold up. Intake is built different. The magnetically reinforced design expands your nasal passages to their widest capacity, ensuring maximum airflow with zero discomfort. Unlike classic nasal dilators that rely on pressure against your nose bridge, Intake's relief band works externally, eliminating irritation, slippage, or weak adhesive failures. Whether you're hitting the gym, running a marathon, or just trying to sleep without waking the whole house, these strips deliver steady, uninterrupted oxygen intake. Bonus? More oxygen means better energy, less fatigue, and even enhanced athletic performance. Still tossing money at ineffective snoring solutions? Intake saves you time, money, and frustration. No more wasting cash on nasal sprays, bulky mouthpieces, or gimmicky devices that overpromise and underdeliver. This doctor-recommended, drug-free solution is engineered for longevity. Its extra-strength adhesive stays locked in place, while the reusable magnetic relief band ensures a personalized, snug fit every time. Compared to generic nasal strips that fail the moment you sweat or breathe deeply, Intake is built to perform. Whether you're struggling with snoring, congestion, or subpar workouts, this is the game-changer your nose deserves. Comfort matters, and Intake's ergonomic design is in a league of its own. The starter kit includes 4 sizes of reusable bands and 30 nasal tabs, ensuring a custom fit for all face shapes and skin types. Unlike harsh adhesives that rip your skin or leave residue, these strips use a minimal but effective grip, keeping them secure yet gentle on sensitive skin. No irritation, no discomfort, just 24/7 reliable airflow. Whether you wear glasses, sweat heavily, or sleep like a tornado, Intake is designed to stay put and do its job flawlessly. If you're ready to ditch restless nights and sluggish days, Intake Breathing is the smart investment you won't regret. Backed by patented tech and tested by real users, it outperforms traditional nasal strips 10x over. More airflow means better sleep, enhanced focus, reduced snoring, and an energy boost you can feel. Don't let weak airflow slow you down. Breathe better, sleep better, and live better with Intake. Get yours today and experience the future of nasal breathing.